Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you a step-by-step process on how to create a cool, smooth ghost effect in Capcut using a desktop. So, whether you just love to tinker around with video editing or are a social media content creator looking for a new effect for your videos, this tutorial is for you. Firstly, open up your Capcut app. For today's tutorial, I've already set up a clip we will use as our example. Now, the first step is to duplicate this video clip. To accomplish this, simply click on the clip, then press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. You'll then position the newly created video above the initial one. Next, move the white line to the point where you'd like your effect to start. I'll set mine at the 0.01 second mark. Then turn your attention to the diamond symbol on the upper right side of the screen. Click on it to add a position and size keyframe. Then move the white line to where you want the ghost effect to continue and once again add a position and size keyframe, but this time with a blend keyframe. Then adjust the clip size or scale now. I'm going to change it to 160%, but feel free to experiment as you form your own version of this effect. Now, in Blend, reduce the opacity to 50%. The level of transparency is entirely down to your creative preference. Finally, let's indicate where we want our ghost effect to end. We'll use the white line for this as well. Add a final keyframe and set the opacity to 0%. And voila! You've just made a smooth, convincing ghost effect in Capcut using a desktop. We hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and see you on next video.